Yo, welcome back to another video, guys. Thank you guys so much for coming back again. Today we're gonna be doing something a little bit different. My girl actually thought of this idea, so basically, oh shoot, my mom's here.
Just a fan, you know.
Shout out to my fans. Anyways, like I said, my girl, she came up with this idea today, and we're gonna be trying out different TikTok drinks that we saw on TikTok, and they actually do look pretty good.
We're gonna go to Starbucks, we're gonna go to Chick-fil-A.
And
So
basically, guys, today we're gonna be trying out a bunch of TikTok drinks, and the first one actually looks really good. I'm gonna show you guys right now.
Guys, I'm gonna put you on the best freaking Starbucks refresher. Ask for the cotton candy refresher, and they'll know exactly what you're talking about. It's seriously the best. 10 out of 10 recommend. Let me know what you guys think.
Okay. I'm not gonna lie, that does look pretty good. What do you think about that, baby?
I think I'm gonna get that one.
Alright, let's try it. What is that, cotton candy or what?
That's what it says. Hopefully the Starbucks here can do that one.
Oh, by the way, guys, I got my boy Jared behind the camera right now.
So what's good, homie?
What's good? My boy Jared, he's gonna be holding the camera for us today. Let's go ahead and hit Starbucks and see what they're talking about. Let's go, baby. We're here at Starbucks right now. We're gonna go ahead and try the cotton candy one. On the way here, we found this one as well, and it looks really good. So we're gonna try this one too.
Hi, can I get a grande mango dragon fruit with no water? And can you blend it with strawberry puree and add whipped cream? And can you also top it with a little bit of the strawberry puree? Thank you. You too.
Dang, that looks good. Alright, guys, I never tried this. I don't even know if they're gonna be able to do this for us, but let's go in here and see what they're talking about. Let's go. So I got this special drink for the cotton candy refresher.
That one I've seen. I think they use Gatorade for it.
So if I give you like maybe the recipe, just put it together. Okay, yeah, let's do that. Okay, so this one actually is called mango dragon fruit, no water, blended with strawberry puree, add the cream, and then can we top it with strawberry puree? Wow, that's right.
It's pretty.
Look at this thing, guys. A lot of strawberry.
Like strawberry on top?
Thank you so
Awesome,
much.
thank you.
We can pour the blue in here and then put it on top.
Wow, that looks awesome. Oh my god.
Nice.
I'm excited to drink this, baby.
That's what we eat it.
Jared, you should have got one, bro. You're missing out.
I'm vegan, thank you.
Alright, guys, here's the next challenge. We're here at Chick-fil-A, and this is what it's looking like.
Chicken nuggets, macaroni and cheese, smack ass,
Ew.
fries.
Guys,
What?
I'm not gonna lie, I hate ranch and any type of sauce. I don't know if I'm gonna like this that much. Yo, look, it says Daylin has a tattoo on her butt cheek.
Should write down, be like, how'd you know?
Hey, let me get a bacon sandwich. Hey, let me get a free sandwich and some fries. Guys, I'm dying to try this, bruh.
So they put way more strawberry in that than what
They normally do.
Yeah.
So basically,
Chicken nuggets,
it's fries, chicken nuggets,
macaroni and cheese.
mac and cheese, Chick-fil-A sauce, and ranch. I mean, it doesn't sound bad, but what do you think, baby?
I think it's gonna be good.
She likes sauces, so of course she might like it.
Anything with chicken and ranch and buffalo is always good, man.
A large fry, mac and cheese. Yeah, let's do a 12 count. Let me get ranch and Chick-fil-A sauce. Do you guys have like an empty thing we can put it in to mix it all up? Yeah.
Yeah, we can put a note into that.
Awesome,
They're like,
thank
yeah,
you.
we know what you guys are doing.
Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it.
Guys, we got a container. This is good.
Let's go. We got the sauces. We about to eat good, boy. We're almost done ordering all this amazing food. Shout out to Olive Garden, Chick-fil-A, and Starbucks, baby. We're about to have a feast. Let's go. You guys ready?
Get it.
I mean, Jared, you don't got no food. Drink.
It's all good.
He's like, let's get it.
It's
He's
good.
like, it's all good.
Alright, guys, so they have this kids meal at Olive Garden, and supposedly it's under $7. And this is it right here.
I'm just saying, you get 3 chicken strips, mashed potatoes, spaghetti, breadsticks, a drink for less than $7? Yes.
Alright, so supposedly it's less than $7. I'm gonna go ahead and call Olive Garden and see if this is true or not.
What can we get for you today?
I wanted to get the kids meal, the chicken finger and pasta. I'll take fries. Raspberry lemonade, please. I think that's everything.
And your total is $6.35.
Awesome, thank you so much. Wow, so the price is actually true. Like it's $6.35. That's crazy. That's a cheap meal for spaghetti, chicken fingers, breadsticks,
And fries.
and fries. Wow. Did they even have fries on the TikTok? They did? Let me see. I want to see.
Oh, she got mashed potatoes.
I'm just saying, you get 3 chicken strips, mashed potatoes, spaghetti, breadsticks, a drink for less than $7.
That's awesome.
Yes.
Wow, I might eat here every day, honestly. The
They're
kids-
probably like everyone's calling like asking for kid menus. There's like
Yeah.
adults coming in there. They're like, thanks.
Give this video a big old thumbs up, guys. We're about to eat good.
Have good
and
poops.
have good poops, like always. I'll see you guys in a minute. Let's get it. Let's go.
You said
Alright guys, we just made it back home. We got all this beautiful, amazing, delicious food. We got the Olive Garden special deal for, $6.40-something, right? And we got the Chick-fil-A meal on TikTok. You already know we got our special drinks. Unfortunately, they didn't have all the ingredients, so we had to go buy a blue Gatorade to make the cotton candy color. So let's see if this works. I don't know.
Yeah, supposedly it's supposed to be blue on the bottom and then it's gonna turn to pink, but we don't know if it's gonna work that way.
Honestly, this by itself is good enough.
Hey!
Sorry. I had to test it out, make sure it's good enough.
How much do you think?
Probably like halfway each, maybe.
How much?
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
And then we're gonna take the dragon fruit. It's not gonna pour.
Yo, I hope this works, bro. Look at this.
Wait.
Oh.
Wait.
More Gatorade. More Gatorade.
It's just gonna turn to purple.
Is it? Not bad.
Wait.
That's dope, bro.
Ours is reversed. Theirs is blue on the bottom, but ours is blue on the top.
Bro, this looks amazing, bro.
Wait, should I put some more blue?
Yeah, put a little more blue. This is the real cotton candy. What is it? Cotton candy what?
Refresher?
Refresher, baby.
And look, we can make more because we have extra.
I'm not gonna lie, it just tastes like Gatorade.
Well, you probably have to mix it up. That's actually really cool looking. Look at that. That looks like awesome.
It looks like cotton candy, you know? Alright, you know what? Honestly, I give that one a thumbs up. It's pretty good. It just tastes like Gatorade more than anything. Just really sweet Gatorade. What do you think? Do you taste just Gatorade or what?
It's still really good. It just doesn't taste like cotton candy.
It looks like cotton candy, but it tastes just like Gatorade or like any other refresher, honestly. Give it a big old thumbs up for that TikTok. I actually like this one a lot. Alright guys, so now we have the strawberry refresh. Or it's not a refresher, I don't even know what it is. It's more like an icy.
So, oh wait, it's a mango dragon fruit.
Oh, mango dragon fruit, that's right. I'm gonna go ahead and try it. You wanna try this one first? Yeah, it melted on the way here, guys, so.
No, it's so good.
It's good?
It's like almost kind of like that in a way.
That's good. Honestly, it just tastes like an icy, strawberry icy.
You're like, yeah, it's good.
It's okay, honestly. It's not the greatest.
I think it's good. I'll drink this. I'll get it again.
Cotton candy one's still better to me, honestly.
Yeah.
Alright guys, next up we have Chick-fil-A meal. I don't know how this is gonna taste. Like I said guys, I'm not really into sauces. I hate mayonnaise, I hate ranch, I hate blue cheese. I don't know why. I don't like honey mustard, but you know, I eat barbecue, ketchup, stuff like that. So today we got Chick-fil-A sauce and we got some ranch. Let's go ahead and try it, see how it is. My girl's gonna go ahead and mix it up now.
All of it?
Yeah.
Or-
Alright, that doesn't look half bad. Go ahead and mix it up, baby. Go ahead, shake that thing. Shake that thing, baby.
Nothing
Shake that thing.
I'm trying.
Shake that thing. Hey, shake. Ew. That looks horrible. What do you think about that, Jared? You want to try some?
No hablo English, bro. Don't speak English.
The only reason I'm trying this right now is for you guys, honestly. Like I said, I don't eat sauce, guys. This is not my thing, but I'm gonna do it for you guys, alright? Oh my god. Alright, how is it, baby? How is it?
It's good.
Actually? But you actually like sauces, though, so that's
Yeah,
fine.
but you don't even taste the sauce.
Okay, let me try. Let me try. And it stinks. I'm gonna take a small bite.
Just
okay?
get chicken, yeah. Just it. Go.
Just the chicken?
No, get a bite of chicken in it.
Cut a break in half first. Alright.
What? You just did the chicken.
I don't know.
Eat it, bro. Come on, man.
If you like sauces, that's good, but I don't like it.
Boo.
That's disgusting.
You're boring.
That is so disgusting, bro.
You don't even have to put sauce though. If you just mix up the macaroni with everything, it probably tastes, you know, good still. You can't even, honestly, you don't even taste the sauce that much. She's just a baby. Hey, you want some?
No, I'm good.
Why?
Go ahead, bro. Come on. Don't be scared. What you think, bro? What you think?
Is it good or not?
Nah, it's good. I'm not gonna lie, it's good.
Hey, that's what I'm talking about.
Nah, it's good, it's good.
Alright guys, last but not least, we have the Olive Garden meal. Honestly though, this is a good meal for $6. You know what I'm saying? You can't beat it. I already know I'm gonna like this, so I'm not gonna lie, I've been eating a lot of food today.
You know what that sounds like?
It's a me, Mario.
What does it sound like?
Good spaghetti.
It's that good spaghetti, boy.
How is it, baby? It's good? What's your favorite? Yeah? Yeah, me too. I agree, for sure.
What's up? Try it, baby.
I'm full.
You gonna try it? You gotta at least tell everybody how it tastes.
Amazing.
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know we had a lot of fun today. I hope you guys had fun with us. Make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. So this is basically the extreme taste challenge for TikTok. There's a bunch of food out there that you guys can try on TikTok. And if you guys want to see any more challenges like this, or if you have any other ideas that we could try, comment them down below. I love you guys so much. We'll see you guys next time. Peace. Bye guys.